Welcome to Unisellergy. In this video, we'll walk you through how to add a new product to Amazon using the Unisellergy platform. Let's get started. Step 1. Go to Inventory first. Go to the Inventory page from the left side menu. Now click on the List Products tab. On the top right side of the page, click on the Add Product button. Step 2. Select Channel. A pop-up titled Add Product Channel will appear. Here, click on the Select Channel drop-down. Choose Amazon from the list. You will now see an important note. If the product already exists on Amazon, choose Create Offer. If the product is not yet listed on Amazon, select Add New Product. Since we are adding a new product, click on Add New Product. Step 3. Select Channel Category. A new window will open asking you to select channel category. In the Search Category field, type your product category name. Select the most relevant category from the list. At the bottom, you will see a radio button option. Does this product have variation? Select No if it is a single product. Yes if the product has variations like size, color, etc. After selecting the correct option, click Next. Step 4. Amazon Important Information. You will now see an important information note from Amazon. This section reminds you to fill only genuine and accurate product details. Complete all mandatory fields. Provide truthful product information. Select Yes under Supplier Declared has Product Identifier Exemption if you do not have ASIN or External Product ID like EAN, GTIN or UPC. Failure to follow these requirements may prevent your product from being listed. Carefully read the note and click I understand to continue. Step 5. Add product details. You will now be redirected to the Add Product form. Start by filling in the Product Details section. Product title, brand name, description, bullet points. Next, enter item weight, item dimensions, upload product images. Make sure all details are accurate and professional. Step 6. Generate SKU. Now move to the Product Details section where you can generate your SKU. Click on the Generate SKU button. A pop-up will appear. Fill in the required details and click Generate. Your SKU will be created automatically. Step 7. Complete all required sections. Now carefully fill in all remaining sections including offer details, shipping information, product details, product identity, safety and compliance. Make sure all mandatory fields are completed properly. Step 8. Save and submit. Once all details are filled, click Save. Then click Submit. Amazon may request additional fields or corrections. If Amazon shows more required fields, fill in the missing details. Click Save and Submit again. Sometimes Amazon may ask for additional information multiple times. Continue updating and submitting until the form is successfully validated. Final step. Product goes live. Once the product is successfully validated and submitted, your product will be processed by Amazon. It may take up to 24 hours for the product to appear live in your Amazon store. Final summary. Using Unisellergy, you can add new products to Amazon, generate SKU easily, complete all compliance fields, submit listings directly to Amazon, manage everything from one centralized dashboard. Thank you for using Unisellergy. Grow your business smarter. All your sales channels on one powerful platform.